In Lightspeed, your task is to build a reaction game where a sequence of LEDs cycles through a loop. It is the player's job to press the button when the target LED is on. Now there are quite a few layouts to choose from here. You could go with a circular orientation, or a linear, or rectangular, or pretty much anything you can think of really. But let's say, for example, you chose to go with a circular orientation. Your interaction could look something like this. Having LEDs arranged in a circle and the target button somewhere inside this loop. So LED 1 would turn on and then off, followed by LED 2 and then 3, right around the loop. Now once the sequence reaches the target button, the player has to press it while that LED is on. So let's discuss how you might go about achieving this. Step 1. Figure out your loop sequence. Now once you've wired up and set up all your input and output channels, you need to think about how you might set up your loop sequence. For starters, think about what type of behavior you might need that allows you to set up your loop and call upon it to start it or stop it from within another behavior. You might also want to figure out how to use a delay variable to control the timing between the LEDs in your sequence. Now this will allow you to sort of adjust this delay as the game progresses. Step 2. Handle the button press. Now there are actually a few good ways to go about doing this. But the bottom line is your behavior or your behaviors need to account for two possible outcomes: success and failure. If the player presses the button when the target LED is on, that is success. Think about what you might need to do to the delay variable to make it even faster in the next round. If, however, the player presses the button while the target LED is off, well, they lose. You need to end the game, but don't forget to reset the delay variable. Finally, be mindful of the minimum delay value. Since the idea behind this game is to make it progressively faster and tougher, at some point the loop becomes a little bit too fast. Keep this in mind as you design your interaction. Also, consider using a common ground across your LEDs. This will save you significantly on your wiring needs. That's it for me. My name is Joel. Good luck and build on.